In this video, I'll detail the Jum Sao, Wing Chun's sinking hand. Helps you to understand how to sync someone else's energy and bring your elbow power into the wrist through into their center. Jum Sao is going to be which is a action against someone trying to go to the inside of you, right? Now be careful
not to push down.
Yes.
Yeah. But I believe it's horrible. So that's just. And this is his video.
Yeah. So you just yes. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
Now you're extending your elbow in a very precise and pinpoint into my
Forward
center.
and down. Yeah.
Why go down when you can just do the job going forward into my center? So that's what the Jum does. So we do want to try to get the elbow in more as you do it, but other than that, I felt pretty good. It felt pretty good. So it's just an extension there. And it's always you on the outside to do it. It can lead to a punch.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right? So
you're open up.
Yeah, it can lead into a punch. Boom, boom, boom. You know, and nothing really stays in Wing Chun. Everything is a dynamic action. So if you see, you know, that's why the old Wing Chun movies where they're like, you know, the old kung fu movies where they're stuck in place. You know, aren't they? Yeah, exactly. Freeze frame of Long Sao. No. Okay.
Is it normal to have one side a little better than the other?
Absolutely.
Yeah, okay.
Your dominant side is going to be a little better. So the saying is, when we do things in 3, left, right, left.
Okay.
Right?
Gotcha.
So you work your non-dominant side.
Just a little less. Yeah.
Yeah, well, no.
Oh, no, more.
Yeah, more. Double.
Non-dominant side.
Double, yeah. Or non-dominant side.
Double negative. I never ever would say that again.
Subscribe now so you don't miss out on more of these great Wing Chun lessons.
Introducing my Wing Chun distance learning program at wingchunlessons.com. Designed to help those with a sincere interest to learn Wing Chun at home. Not everyone has access to a Wing Chun school or local instructor where they live. This Wing Chun home training program also gives you a chance to become certified and recognized under the Dragon Institute ranking system, which is a necessary first step for those who wish to become certified Wing Chun instructors. Read more at wingchunlessons.com.